guys, it's Miss Mayra from the Rogers Public Library. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a flower out of an egg carton. Super simple. Okay, let's get started. All you will need is an egg carton, something to cut out your egg carton, glue. I use tacky glue, but you guys can use Elmer's glue. A straw. I use a paper straw. You do not have to use a paper straw. You guys can use a craft stick or a different type of straw. You will need a pom-pom. I use yellow. You do not need yellow. And a sponge. And I cut my sponge into squares. You will see why. Okay, so you will cut a section from the bottom piece and it will look like this. Okay? And then after that, to make the shape, you see a triangle right here, and every corner, we are going to cut that out. I'm cutting it to make the shape of a flower. And you have to be super careful. I would ask a parent to help you with that part. Okay? So I cut that triangle out. After that, you will actually paint it. I painted mine purple and pink. And you have to wait for it to dry because it will take a while. Okay? After this part is the fun part. Okay? You will actually grab your sponge pieces and dip it into the paint of your choice. I did pink and purple again, and I added a blue. And I will start dabbing the pink into the purple, and that's the fun part. And then I did the purple inside the pink. You just start dabbing it and you're just mixing the colors to have that colorful effect. And you can add a lot of different colors. And when it's dry, it will look like this. Okay? It looks super cool. And the kids will really love this. After that, we're going to put it together. Okay, so you will turn it around, and this is after all of this is dry. You will turn it around, and we're gonna glue your paper straw to the back of the egg carton, and that will take a while to dry. To wait. Okay, I'm gonna wait. After that, you will grab your pom-pom and you will glue it in the middle. You will have to wait for it to dry. But that's how it will look. It will look like this. It does take a while for it to dry, so yeah. And that's the final look. And you guys can gift this to your mom because Mother's Day is coming up. It's just a little idea. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.